Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to change the domain name in Gumroad. Changing the domain name in Gumroad might seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not familiar with the platform or if you're just starting out with your online store. But don't worry, it's actually a straightforward process that can significantly impact how your store is perceived by visitors. Having a custom domain not only boosts your branding, but also makes your store more recognizable and professional. In this tutorial, we will break down the steps needed to achieve this, making it easy for you to follow along and customize your Gumroad store with ease. Alright, let's get started by navigating to the Gumroad website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in gumroad.com into the address bar. This simple action will take you directly to the Gumroad homepage, where you have access to all the features and settings that Gumroad offers. Once you've landed on the homepage, your first task is to log into your account. Look towards the upper right corner of the page, where you'll find the login button. Clicking on this button will take you to the login page. At the login page, enter your credentials to access your account. If you find it more convenient, Gumroad offers an option to log in using a linked Google account. You'll see a button that says Log in with Google. Click on this button and you will be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. Choose your account, and just like that, you'll find yourself inside your Gumroad dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard side panel. This is where you will find various options listed. Your next step is to locate the Settings section. Give it a click and you will enter a hub of options where you can start customizing your account details and configurations. Within the Settings menu, look for a section labeled Advanced. Clicking on Advanced will lead you to a place where you can modify detailed account settings, which includes giving your Gumroad store that personal touch with a custom domain name. Now let's focus on the main task, changing the domain name. In the Advanced settings, scroll down until you reach a field labeled Domain. This is where the magic happens. Enter your custom domain in this field, making sure that you own the domain or have the necessary permission to use it. It's important to double-check that the domain name is entered correctly to avoid any issues later on. This step is vital, especially if you're building a brand or making your store a recognizable part of your brand identity. Once you've entered the new domain, don't forget to save these changes. Typically, there will be a Save or Update button located at the bottom of the settings page. Click on this button to confirm your changes. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed the domain name on your Gumroad account. This small but significant tweak can make a big difference in how your store is perceived by visitors. It's a straightforward process, but a meaningful customization that can really enhance the branding of your digital storefront. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to change the domain name in Gumroad, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.